Have you ever dreamed of living and working in the United States? Imagine the lifestyle, the beautiful sights you could reach. Today we're exploring the EB3, a fascinating pathway that could turn that dream into a reality. The EB3 is the third preference category of the employment-based immigration. The U.S. employers will sponsor the applicants by submitting the labor certification and the immigration petition, and then the employees can legally come to the U.S. to work after approval. The EB3 has a lower threshold to meet, with no investment and no relevant working experience requirements. The recent approval rate of EB3 is as high as 98%. Who can apply for the EB3? Those who are between the ages of 18 and 50 years old, with an educational level between high school and a bachelor's degree. You will also need to be able to converse in basic English and provide proof of a clean criminal record. And the last, you need to be in good health, free from infectious or serious diseases. By working in the United States through EB3, in just 3 to 4 years, you and your family could get green cards and live in your dream country. The EB3, a pathway which make American dream be closer than you think.